The Shaver Outdoor Forced Air Furnace. The Shaver Outdoor Forced Air Furnace is proudly built in the USA. It is manufactured exclusively in Salem, Arkansas by hard-working Americans. The furnace is made entirely of steel and fireproof components. The exterior is constructed of a 29-gauge painted steel sheet metal in a color of your choice. There's an inner layer of 11-gauge steel that creates an air chamber around the firebox. The air chamber is insulated with 2 layers of insulation. The first layer is 3 inches thick and then topped with Solar Guard. The 2 combined layers have an R value of 21.6. The roof has 3 layers for an R value of 49.6. The insulated inner layer forms the heat chamber and includes the volume of air which is essential to the system. The firebox is tubular shaped and maximizes heat transfer. The tubular shape also helps to prevent burnout, which is a problem to non-tubular fireboxes. The heat seal steel doors access the firebox and ash door to allow ease in operation. Wood is fed into the firebox and placed onto a grate. The firebox is filled to 3/4 capacity and the fire is ignited. As the temperature within the firebox rises, heat is transferred to surrounding air in the heat chamber. In the back of the furnace, an induction fan draws air in the firebox for combustion. A chimney attached to the firebox releases smoke, creosote, and excess heat. Once the heat chamber reaches 110 degrees, a high-capacity blower begins to circulate air through the heat chamber at about 1,500 to 2,000 cubic feet per minute. The air in the heat chamber gains pressure and escapes through the hot air output duct. The cold air duct returns air back into the furnace. In a typical installation, the heated air is channeled into the home's existing air duct and looped back to the furnace through a cold air return.